We have our mobile journalist Jazz Paredes who's reporting live from Camp Crame back on the line. Jazz, you were explaining earlier the alleged roles of Senator Padilla as well as the 5 others. Pero silang 6 ba ay naglabas na ng public statement? Meron na ba siyang sinabi over the filing of charges?
Yes, Denise. So, regarding doon sa ating sinabi kanina, there are 6 people na nirekomendang sampahan na obstruction of justice dahil sa umunay pagtulong sa pagtakas ni Senator Bato de la Rosa on May 14. Pero as of now, Denise, wala pa tayong nakukuhang pahayag on their end kung ano ba yung kanilang masasabi tungkol dito sa kanilang possible recommendation for obstruction of justice. Pero Denise, from what we've known earlier, nagpost ang asawa ni Senator Bato de la Rosa wherein ang kanyang caption ay sana daw within the bounds of the law itong ginagawa ng CIDG. But as of now, we're still trying to get din yung panig ni Senator Robin Padilla kung ano ba yung kanyang masasabi tungkol dito. Denise.
Alam natin, Jazz, may reaction din yung may bahay ni Senator Bato de la Rosa regarding that raid that happened in Balibago, Angeles yesterday. Ano ba yung sinabi niya tungkol dyan? And are there any new leads about the whereabouts of Senator de la Rosa?
Yes, Denise. As of now, yung kanilang ating press briefing kanina, piit. May sasabi nating piit yung nilalabas ng informasyon ng ating CIDG Director Morico dahil nga they are trying to reserve the details for the investigation. Ayaw nila itong ma-preempt at ayaw nilang maapektuhan. Pero sa ngayon, ang alam natin ay nagpunta sila doon sa 4 na locations. Hindi lamang para magsilbi nitong arrest warrant but bilang parte rin ng investigasyon. And as of leads, kung nasan daw si Senator Bato de la Rosa, hindi pa nila ito pwedeng i-disclose. But we're naka-standby tayo kung ano man yung i-release nilang information the next few hours or few days. Pero as of now, Denise, ayaw nilang maglabas ng detalye dito upang hindi raw makaapekto sa investigasyon. Denise.
Lastly, Jazz, paano ba napunta yung investigation dun sa Balibago? Ano nga ba ulit yung koneksyon ng owner ng property in Angeles kay Senator Padilla?
Yes, Denise, actually, yan din yung pinag-usapan kanina kasi ang ating natitignan na dahil nga indispensable yung naging cooperation ni Senator Robin Padilla, una yung kanyang female security officer allegedly kasama, and yung isa naman is kanyang anak ng kanyang tiyuhin na owner naman ng pickup truck for nag-assist and escort yung pagtakas si Senator Bato de la Rosa. And with regards naman dito sa property na kanilang binisita sa Balibago, Angeles, Pampanga, ay ang pagkakaalam natin, ito naman ay pagmamay-ari daw ng tiyuhin ni Senator Robin Padilla. But we're still confirming. Tinatanong natin kanina kung nakita ba dito si Senator Robin Padilla kasi may mga haka-haka na kaya din po ipinuntahan dahil last na nakita si Senator Bato de la Rosa sa property na ito. But they're not denying nor confirming kung totoo itong allegations. But as of now, ang sinasabi lang nila is itong 4 na locations is for investigation purposes lamang at hindi merely para isilbi itong arrest warrant. Denise.
Well, we will be following that story, but for now, we thank you for your report. Again, that was mobile journalist Jazz Paredes.